Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Rafiuddin bin Fauzi, number matrix BF241101114 from program Plantation and Agroforestry HT23. So today I want to talk about hopes. Hope give me a little courage to keep moving on and forward. For example, like back in was before UMS, I interview for UPSI in bachelor degree for education sports science. So I failed the last interview, which is physical test. When the UPSI rejected me, I feel discouraged, I feel depressed, I have no words, I feel speechless about the test. I keep thinking about it, for should I keep moving or stop it. So when the UMS offer me in plantation agroforestry, I have my hopes. So yeah, for conclusion, hope will be a little hope will be encourage you to keep moving on. So don't give up, keep moving forward, and stay positive. That's it about it.